Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Listen, our favorite girl, your natural hair, XrsBeauty Hair. Listen, XrsBeauty always send me over a whole bunch of stuff. I mean, they always do me like that. Combs and caps and rollers and edge control brushes. Now, listen, today they sent me 200% density. They gave me 18-inch with their beautiful clear lace. The lace is always second to none because there's not that much. Listen, there's a party. They even happy about the lace. Okay. So, here's our edge. Now, on the inside, we have our 3 combs. There's 2 adjustable straps. We got a little bit of lace at the nape. So this is cute. And I'm very excited about it because the good thing with XrsBeauty is there's a minimal styling. So we're going to go ahead and get that melt done and get on with our install. So stay tuned, girl. Stay tuned. Hello. Okay, y'all, so I want to show y'all really quick this lace difference. You know, our girl, XrsBeauty, they love to see the difference in the lace. So we have a transparent lace, okay, which is really supposed to be HD type lace, right? And then we have the clear lace, XrsBeauty. So I like to put it on my hand. This is the transparent lace. Boom. And then compared to the clear lace
by
XrsBeauty.
There you go.
Now, even if you do it on Nidra's hand, because she's a little bit more peanut butter.
And let's do it together.
Together, side by side.
Right.
Okay.
And then this is the one that's transparent. This is the one that you usually get, the universal.
Universal transparent.
This is the one you usually get. Amazon, all that type of stuff.
Amazon, when you get wigs from Amazon.
And then here's your XrsBeauty when you invest.
When you invest in yourself.
When you invest in the best, this is what you get. And this is with not even tinting.
No lace, doing nothing.
Yeah. So if just imagine if I was to seal it with some ebony or even glue it, it would definitely melt.
And make a difference.
And make, like, you could see, you know, transparent.
Transparent.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
Can we get into my natural hair? Don't play, girl. Can we get into this hairline? Can we get into this body wave? Come on, XrsBeauty. XrsBeauty Hair. XrsBeauty. Come through, XrsBeauty. Now listen. I have done a lot of hair videos. Y'all know I love hair, okay? But the one thing that I really love is a natural look, just like I love a natural beat. So shout out to XrsBeauty Hair for collaborating and sponsoring this video, because as they say, it is your natural hair. This was a body wave hair. I did not curl it. We did not put any product on it. I did ask Nietzsche to give me a little bit of, because y'all know this forehead of mine is on minus. It is on minus. But I absolutely love the hair. I think it's beautiful. It's high quality. I mean, come on, the melt. The melt. Girl, the melt. Get into the melt. But listen, I will make sure all of the information will be down below in the description box. And you guys, listen, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Put your bells on so that way you can be notified each and every time that I make a new video. Thank you, XrsBeauty Hair. And thank you, girl, for watching. I appreciate you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. I wanna ride.